I want to dedicate this win first for our players that work hard, very hard. Selamat malam. I want to dedicate this win first for our players that work hard, very hard. Also, we have some problems. Arfan loses his grandfather, Ananda loses his mother. We have many players injured that cannot help us inside of the pitch. But also I want to dedicate to the supporters. Today the supporters support since the first minute until the end. Fantastic environment, and you bring the energy, the extra energy for these players. Believe that on the difficulties moments, the supporters are with them. Terima, Kasih. Inside of the pitch, two teams that want to score goal. I think we have more clarified goal attempts than Arema. We can go to half-time winning 2-0, but unfortunately just go 1-0. It's true that Arema have more possession ball, more corners, but I think on the second half we have many chances to can score goal. Sometimes the last pass not so good. But I think with all the difficulties that we have, we make a good game, fantastic game in my opinion. Against one good team, Arema have good players. And was very important that the supporters come today to support our boys, because as you saw, they run, the supporters bring extra energy for them. So, Terima kasih. Thank you.
Silakan, komentarnya.
Untuk saya, kemenangan ini karena kerja keras pemain, dan kita sudah berlatih untuk persiapan yang sangat bagus akhir-akhir ini, dan terima kasih kepada supporter yang sudah datang dan mendukung kita.
Let's go to see. Today deserve to play. The game asked a player like him on the defensive line, because we are winning and Arema put number 15 on front, so we need tall players. And today the characteristics of the game ask for him. He arrived just this night, 1 o'clock morning, because he was on Bahrain, that Philippines go to play against Bahrain there. So this is the conditions that we have. But I think all the team make good performance. We not suffer, we not consider the goal, so it's positive. We cannot make individual. I know that you ask for one player that is the first time, but also Sandy was the first time that play, and you not ask. Also Ricky is the first time score a goal and assist, and you not ask. Okay.
Kalau untuk saya pribadi sih, kalau untuk politik saya nggak ikut-ikut aja.
Dia no comment untuk politik ya.
Have always a possibility to play, and also if have performance, it's more near to can play the next matches. And if you saw who's playing on front, first was Adilson and Zaki, after Adilson and Yanche, and Adilson and Zaki and Adilson and Yanche, they are very tired, so we need to replace them with players fresh for have more stamina and speed, and this is what we do. Ricky first go to midfield and after go to strike, and it was good because as a midfielder assist and as a striker score, so it was good.